Just a wake up and I hit the internet. Me just a rise. Me just a blood clot wake up and I hit the internet, you know. And me just a rise out of my blood clot bed, never make up my face yet. Me just a rise, you know. Who is big fuck out twep? Who is big fuck out twep? What the bumbo clot you call me name for? Me never know your girl. Me not even listening it yet. Me don't even listen it a bumbo clot. Me never listen it. Let me listen for it before me start. Me listen before me start trace. I mean, just arise out of my blood clot rest. Me just arise out of my rest. Cause my phone dead for morning. As me turn on my phone, so me go listen before me start. Let me go listen first before me start. What are we all me can't find King Mix Up page over the phone, yeah? How I really go on blood clot? Me can't find King Mix Up on this, sir. How I really go on here, so? King Mix Up, go up me your page for me fan page, me can't go on it now. Take a request and me go listen on the phone, yeah. Go in for me YouTube. Cause me not understand. Somebody can tell me where go on over there, so. Cause me not, me not hear good. Me only get some WhatsApp out and me phone about twep. Who is this twep? Cause me don't know who name say no. Me don't know who name so. And but who you say who? Me never invented a head dance, a blood clot. Cause nobody ever see me go for my pussy clot head yet. And nobody ever see me do no blood clot stone. All the thing me don't worry with the blood clot tree and the garbage pan in a dance hall. What una say? Me not hear what the blood clot big pussy girl when him twep say no come in and listen it all now, you know. I just couple voice more me get, you know. More King Mix Up, go all over your page, go answer that over my fan page when me can go up on this, go listen what the fuck out girl they say, you know. More I know what the fuck out girl they say about invent, you know. Cause garbage pan me dancing through the years and blood clot tree I'm having, you know. All the thing my blood clot invent I don't even know. Someone know where she's always comment for us and tell me where the blood clot girl said, look, I'm gonna have the patient. Me never so give God thanks, me wake up. Father, sorry. I'm a sleep in, I'm a phone turn off for morning. For morning, cause my friend birthday, I go drink and something. If you don't notice, me not do not take out. I never in a plan to do it too, with what happened. And me just get about and me never brush my blood clot teeth. See, I'm still in my blood clot nighty as you know can blood clot. See, I just get about on my bed. I exit the Netflix, yeah. And go over YouTube. I look for myself before I go cuss the wrong things. I look for myself first before my blood clot cuss for the wrong things. Me go look for myself first. I go search a King Mix Up, me go look for myself first before me start. Cause me never say give God time, me get up out of my blood clot sleep. No girl can't say me invent head tap dance. Cause me no dance for head a blood clot. Nobody never see me a dance for head. Cause me can't even balance it up on my blood clot head. If me go on my head, I was one wall catch up me. So nobody can. Only thing my blood clot invent is dirty wine and hot fuck. That's all my blood clot invent. And when me got dance, me worry garbage pan and blood clot tree and junkies. I'm going to hear for myself because I want to love coming. Let me go over there myself. Let me type in King Mix Up there. Can I come like me? Everybody a jump on blood clot argument now. Everybody a jump on argument as me talk. And the blood clot girl injure for when. And nobody never recognize it till me blood clot highlight it. So more know what problem now. Cause if me never went blood clot, the girl let us dead. And let us dead so. I let us here so I'm be a dancer then in 3 days time I forget about. So all as me blood clot talk so every interview personnel just want in my skin so. I don't never want interview long blood clot time. Hey. I mean, I want nobody else call me if you know interview. Nobody else. Because you never want blood clot interviews until me talk. You never want interviews until me blood clot talk. You never want interviews until me blood clot talk. Because hold on the liquor. Oh, blood clot land the girl get injured. Everybody, to the girl was no popular blood clot, somebody went dumb. And if me highlight it, wouldn't be such a big blood clot. Cause the girl... Them let them take it down off of the YouTube. Them take it down, see there? I go up on it and it now come up. It now come up. See what they tell me there? So I'm go over here, so I see.
Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, it's not foreign from King Mix-Up, it's not credible. And you know yesterday we broke the story that
some man King Mix-Up in the talk too long.
Lost their life due to an accident performing a dance routine.
Can't wait for a long talk in here.
Was the one that took it. It's sad. Now, people have been saying that it wasn't no accident, that it was straight murder. For example, Dyma was alluding to the fact like the girl them set up bumper for dead. You see me I say? And twep is not taken.
If me they do something and somebody see it and want to follow it, me never will and care go follow nothing. You never see me I do a head tap dance yet. None of them the blood clot dancer when them the girl they do it, nobody never see me do the dancer yet. I tree and garbage pan me worried. And wheel my head and do dirty wine. Me where I say, me never do a stunt dance because me not even a dancer. Me never can blood clot dance good. Me just a comedian and an entertainer. So me don't know what you say. Me just an entertainer and a comedian with me people in my life. Me never want to call myself dancer. Because me can't go for a head tap a pussy clot. Me no go for a head tap. If you don't smell for me head tap, I must want wall catch up. Me I want couch. Because me no go for a head tap. That's the things that me can't do. Me don't follow and blood clot do it. Look how much dance I see Bill dance. I me never follow it because me can't do it. Leave it a blood clot alone. Eh? Me don't know who is blood clot twep. Drag queen twep. Who is it they can call me name? Drag queen twep. Who is it they can call me blood clot name? Me don't want no drag queen to call me blood clot name. Enough time I see dance routine, but I new dance routine. I mean a blood clot try it. Cause when you can't do no blood clot, take up you put for your pussy clot head. The amount of time I see girl bust dance routine, I me never try yet a pussy clot, cause me can't do it. Who is Jack Queen twep? Who is you? Me don't know who you for Adams. You look at Noines. You come dirty twep no call me blood clot name. So good twep no call me name. Come eat me out. No call me name. Don't call me blood clot name. And King Mix-Up so they put up things in my talk. Talk the facts are right. How blood clot go. Cause me just hear your head, me have to pause the King Mix-Up. Don't talk about how me say it was no accident. Me talk say yes, me know say it was accident, but me no blood clot give a fuck. Cause the girl they left in two pitney them at that Mr. King Mix-Up. And when you put out a story them bad man, you have to put out no story if you get no false story if you get no news. Cause you done in the media already, you don't have your blood clot name. So you not put it out, you put it out good. I mean not take back no chat mama go suck out him and even when my family me kill that. Bumbo clot. Me not respond but no girl. Or no boy and that me say. When 100 blood clot accident, the woman still they left in blood clot pitney that me did say. So go back, go watch the blood clot life from top to bottom. I'm sorry, me never when me take it down good. I want to listen me for start to blood clot finish and hear when me say. Even when me they chat about the blood clot 3-5, me still go back into the story and say, me used to dance with that too. So why fuck you? I say, who is blood clot? Twep. Twep to me, look at views on the internet. Twep to me, look at views. Me don't even know who is you. Who is you? I don't know I don't know if you're a boy, girl, or a girl, or a real boy, or something. When you call me name for girl, me no name for Adam versus blood clot Eve. Me never want no dancer and I tell him say follow me routine a pussy clot. Me never teach a dance class and me born a blood clot. So don't fuck with yourself with me a pussy clot. Look much that Mr. Rebel them boss me never try it yet because me can't blood clot do it. Anything what me can't do me now blood clot try. So what you say? What you say? But yeah, the barber got returning himself to the police. Me no blood clot business. Me feeling for the two in them. So me talk anything when me twep come in touch on your suck. Suck your mother. Who is you? I don't even know if you're a boy or a girl. When you call me blood clot name for you know me for Adams. One time someone give me a do dirty one and broke his neck. One long time Star call me an interview. Because Star now call me no. Star now give me no interview. How much talent me have every week me have take out and act. Star never blood clot call me to ask me about that. But as me go up on the internet so not talk. Nobody never want to talk. No blood clot body never talk about the girl. And me alone get up and defend the blood clot girl. Soon as me hear me defend it. He said me hear me defend it. And if he didn't hear for the first time when it happened, when the girl asked me when I defend it. Nobody never want to defend it, so what the problem? Blood clot, no. Because if me never want highlight it, he ain't go highlight this way. You only would have hear someone maybe a dancer dead and in 3 days time it done. Bop. So what y'all say? What y'all say, boy, girl, twep? Me don't know if you're a boy or a blood clot girl. Twep, me a girl in a real breast me have. Me don't know y'all why, you know. So no fuck with me a blood clot, no call me pussy blood clot name. Cause me tell you all the while, if you don't see what style what you can do, don't blood clot do it. Cause nothing what me can do, me no follow, me no try. Me do my own blood clot things. First to comments one time, they say one girl dead for dirty wine, me don't know how true it is. Star ain't call me. Me make Star know say under your neck you take and do dirty wine. You have to have on your long ear. It's the ear. It's the ear and the creativity to dirty wine. And your blood clot neck. Because you can't dirty wine so your neck go at you. And the ear you have to move back to front. So me don't know how the blood clot talk to me about me teach that. Me never teach a dancer yet for dance because then dancer and I don't know what me do. Them a dancer and I don't know what me do. When me in them film days when me the dance, even now, me dance a garbage pan, me blood clot dance with and Shia Marvin. And them me dance with. So nobody tell nobody if you come. So who I tell nobody if you come talking a garbage pan like me? Me never hold your hand call and I say, girl, put your head in one garbage pan. Fucking bright and fierce. What y'all say? Me is an entertainer, you know. Me not call myself, me just say me a dance that two people say no. But entertain me, entertain. Because if you don't notice certain dancing, me not do because me cannot do it. And me not practice, me not try because me can't do it, me leave it a blood clot alone. That me I tell you no. Certain dance me not do because me cannot do it. So what y'all say? Sure you see dyma talking in a garbage pan, you go talking now. Me never call you and I say talking in one garbage pan girl. So me don't know what talk about. Me don't know what them a blood clot new dancer, you fuck themselves. Them dance like a go-go. Cause back in my days and I say no dancer dance and I should be a money stacking yourself. I be a money and you with booty up yourself. I go then come for dance and sell fuck. Oh. So no come bright. No come bright. Can you mix something this your headline? I'm gonna stop halfway now. Can you mix it? You don't even write no fuck your headline. Okay, you're gone through the gate already. You can write the right headline them. And I'm trace because you know me like you. But no right now, no fuck your headline about me. Here? Them are nowadays blood clot dancer, you fuck a girl. A pussy themselves. Because of money make their house do stunt. Money make them kill off themselves. Money. Because when they see the blood clot, man, they choke the blood clot, tick them. They want broke their neck, they and their ribs, they want bumbo clot, $100 or $200. What do you know, man? You no grieve me, suck cocky blood clot, twep away you want name. No call me name. Coming in here for Adam versus blood clot Eve. Twep, why you not go buy a garbage bag, boy, you prayer about or something like that. Twep, why you don't buy a big blood clot garbage bag? I have garbage bag now sell, you buy one of them big rice bag there and tuck your blood clot self in it and roll yourself off of the internet. No look no forward off of me a blood clot. Cause none of you never want to talk about the girl till me come talk. If me never when blood clot come talk, it uno big so. It uno big over the world so. So me no want to know come call me blood clot name. Here? Me take up my own self. Look, alright. Me look up to blood clot Kiefer for Adam versus Eve. Kiefer